Want to try out the YouTube Music streaming service, but not sure how it works? I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to YouTube Music, where I'll show you all the basics of using the app. Now let's get started. When you open YouTube Music for the first time, you'll have the option to continue with your Google account if you're already signed into the YouTube app on the same device. Simply tap Continue to sign in. The first page you'll see is the Home tab. If you scroll down, you'll find suggested tracks in the Quick Picks section, top charts with popular and trending songs and music videos. You can tap one of these playlists to begin listening to it. If you want to listen to something specific, tap the search icon at the top. Then type in the name of a song, artist, album, or podcast you want to listen to. When you find something you want to listen to, tap play to begin listening. If you're using the free version like I am, you may have an ad pop up before the music starts playing. When listening to a song on YouTube Music, you can use the controls along the bottom to pause, play, restart the song you're streaming, and skip to the next song. You can also turn on shuffle or repeat. To help the app give you better recommendations, you can use the like and dislike icons to let them know how you feel about a song. To see what's coming up next on your playlist, tap Up Next to open your queue. In this window, you can move around the songs in your queue so they play in whatever order you like. Simply hold and drag a song using the bars on the right side, and let go when it's in the order you'd like. Tap Lyrics to see the words to a song you're listening to if available. Tap Related to see other songs and playlists you might like based on this song. While playing a song, you can tap the three dots in the top right corner to get more options, like Add to Liked Songs, Play Next, Save to Playlist, Share, and more. If you tap on an artist's name, you can see their YouTube Music page. Subscribe to them to see more of their music on your app, and listen to their songs, albums, and playlists. In the Samples tab, you'll find new, cool, and trending music videos. Scroll down to check them out. These are formatted just like Shorts, where you can like, comment on, save, and share videos just like you would with Shorts. If you find a song you like in the sample feed and want to hear the whole thing, tap play to begin playing the song. In the Explore tab, you can check out new releases, charts, moods and genres, and podcasts. In the New Releases, you'll find new albums and singles and new music videos. In Charts, you can check out top music videos, top artists, and trending songs. In Moods and Genres, you can select a specific mood or genre you want to listen to, then stream featured songs, playlists, albums, and music videos that fall under that category. In Podcasts, you'll find popular podcast shows and episodes, and can browse podcasts by topic category. In the Library tab, you'll find playlists, songs, albums, and artists you've liked on YouTube Music. If you tap the History icon, you can see a list of things you've recently listened to. The Upgrade tab is simply there to entice you to upgrade to Premium. If you ever want to upgrade, you can easily do so here. If not, you can continue enjoying the free version. The only downside is you'll have to sit through the occasional ad, and you don't get access to premium-only features like being able to listen with your screen turned off. That does it for our beginner's guide to YouTube Music. If you don't have the app yet, check out this tutorial next to learn how to get it. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.